Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new actions, the celebrations actions in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Football Club event, where you can get lots of awesome football teams items or teams football teams rewards, and one of them is these actions, the celebrations actions. And to get it is very easy. First, just tap on this club icon and then just tap on the football club banner, and then just tap on the go purchase at the Esther Cup Limited, this one. And then in here just choose this action, the celebration ceremony actions, and it costs 6,000 coins or 6,000 gold. Make sure you have enough gold. And then next just tap on purchase, and just like that the actions will be added to your emote collections. Just tap on the emote icon and then go to actions, solo actions, and then just choose this celebrations actions to use it, and your character will be moved like this. It's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.